Today at Mullin Machinery we have a Kuhlmann single lip cutter grinder made in West Germany. Uses the same collets as the Deckel single lip grinders. There's your wrench for the wheels, a couple of diamond wheels. There's a diamond wheel in the unit. There's another collet in the head. All the paint's on the unit. Well, most of the paint's on the unit. There's the sticker for Kuhlmann America, made in West Germany. Your grinding head's in good shape. Wired for 110 volt single phase. Spindle sounds good. There's no rust or galling or anything on the slide bar. All the functions work good on the head. It's a good condition cutter grinder. You can check this out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.